Go next to this.
So we've got a pretty nice day ahead again tomorrow. I got my nephew Torski, Tor Sungard. How's that for a good Viking name? Tor, what's the weather like today? What's going on?
It's nice. Do you like it?
Is it sunny?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Was it a good pool day? Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. But we do have some thunderstorms on the way Saturday and some cooler temperatures on the way next week. And we do have just a few fair weather cumulus clouds out there. What a day. I think this is the kind of day everybody can agree on because you had a little warmth, but not the humidity, not the extreme heat, and lots of sunshine. 82 the high so far today. Dew points are in the 50s all day, which is perfect. Almost average for the date, maybe a degree or two slightly below normal. And just a few of those fair weather cumulus clouds that you could see behind me in Tor and also on the satellite out there. But we do have some weather on the way for Saturday. We're going to have another beautiful day tomorrow. Still low humidity, but it is going to be warmer tomorrow, probably mid, maybe even upper 80s. One of the models, it's an outlier, has us near 90 tomorrow, but it'd be a drier 90 than some of those that we've seen. So tomorrow will be perfect across the state. We're looking at mostly sunshine. Northwestern Minnesota will see some clouds, and this is 5 p.m. tomorrow. A couple of thunderstorms in the far northwestern part of the state up around Thief River Falls, Roseau through 7 o'clock. Those will kind of fizzle out overnight, but that is the front that's going to affect our weather on Saturday. So a few showers even early Saturday in central and western Minnesota. Possibility of a sprinkle midday, but most of that's going to fizzle out. We are going to have clouds, though, around Saturday. Not the nicest day, whether you're in cabin country especially, but even further south here in the metro. Maybe southeastern Minnesota will squeeze out a nice day Saturday. We're going to see those storms refire Saturday. A lot of clouds, but maybe enough sunshine to produce some thunderstorms in the late afternoon, evening. This is, you can see in the metro, by about 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Pretty good bet of some showers and thunderstorms. Western Minnesota will be a little bit earlier, and then eventually overnight making their way southeast. Now, as far as the amounts go of rainfall, nobody's really going to get a lot. With thunderstorms, we can always see pockets of some higher amounts, but generally, we're looking at under 1 inch of rainfall for most areas here, with the possibility perhaps of a little bit of some heavier rain in the western part of the state, according to one model. But overall, things are looking pretty good. We are talking about a hurricane, though, newly formed, or will be a newly formed hurricane as it reaches Florida. Right now, it's become Tropical Storm Isaias, making its way across parts of the Caribbean. But for us, 85 tomorrow, warm sunshine. Again, a few fair weather cumulus clouds, a lot like today. And then Saturday, fairly overcast, some peaks of sun here and there, with some thunderstorms, mainly, again, afternoon into the evening, overnight. Perhaps a shower or two early Sunday. I think that would be very early. Clearing skies, dropping humidity. And look at that. It looks like almost all of next week we'll see highs in the 70s, overnight lows in the 50s. In Minnesota, we call that great sleeping weather. Definitely, but not the case if you're in the southeast over the weekend. We are talking about that tropical weather making its way. Again, Isaias right now, winds of 60 miles per hour. It is a tropical storm, and it is expected to make its way closer to the southeast here as we head into the weekend. That forecast cone has it as a very low-end Category 1 hurricane, so 74 mile per hour winds plus, making its way close to Florida, but the center probably just offshore of the Florida coast. But then by Sunday, Monday, we're looking at potentially, this is what happens with hurricanes that take this track, because inevitably you look at the geography, it runs into the Carolinas and Virginia, the Chesapeake Bay area that just sticks out like that. So we'll have to keep our eye on that. Most of the models do have a very similar track. Here's one of the models. I'll just run through these quickly, and you can see they all have a very similar track. This one a little further, making a Florida landfall and then making its way along the East Coast. The European model just offshore, again, maybe making its way close to that North Carolina, Virginia landfall again by Monday or Tuesday. So you're going to be hearing much more about Isaias here over the coming days. Again, potentially as a Category 1 hurricane by the weekend or into early next week. But again, we are looking at a nice Friday, some thunderstorms Saturday, and then we're looking at beautiful weather into next week. Lots of sunshine, low dew points. Enjoy it.